The portfolio crossed $55,000, pulled back, and reminded me of something important. This journey isn't about what happens in one day. It's about how you respond when the market tests your patience. Let's break down what happened, how the portfolio performed, and what I'm focusing on next. As of today, the portfolio is sitting at about $54,931. Yesterday was actually a very strong day. We pushed past the $55,000 milestone and reached a high of about $55,300. Unfortunately, we weren't able to hold that level today, largely due to ongoing geopolitical developments that created uncertainty across the broader market. Pullbacks like this are normal, especially in environments where headlines can move markets quickly. And honestly, this doesn't bother me at all. The primary goal of this portfolio remains unchanged: to grow it to $100,000 and eventually continue the long stretch toward $1 million. While I can't control market volatility, economic data, or geopolitical events, I can control how I respond. I focus heavily on managing my emotions, staying disciplined, and continuing to invest according to my long-term plan. This is exactly why I document these updates. I want to show that volatility isn't something to fear. It's something to understand and walk through, and even embrace. Another major focus for this portfolio is diversification. I'm very intentional about making sure that the portfolio isn't overly concentrated in technology stocks or too heavily weighted toward the Mag 7. While those companies are strong, there are plenty of opportunities in other sectors that can help balance risk and improve long-term stability. Diversification helps smooth out the ride, especially on days when certain sectors are under pressure. One stock I recently added to the portfolio is Netflix. This is a company I view as a long-term hold, which means I'm not aggressively buying a large position all at once. Instead, I'm taking a more patient approach, adding gradually over time as the company continues to execute. Netflix has shown an ability to adapt, grow its subscriber base, and improve profitability, and I'm comfortable holding and building slowly as part of a balanced portfolio. Looking at performance, let's talk about that. For today, the portfolio is down about $230 or roughly 0.41%. For the week so far, the portfolio is still up about $617, which is around 1.1%. That weekly gain is important because it shows that even with daily pullbacks, progress is still being made over time. We still have 2 more trading days left this week, so the question now becomes, do we reclaim $55,000 by the end of the week? It's always interesting to see how the market responds as the week wraps up, especially with news and sentiment shifting so quickly and the market data that comes out on Friday. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think we'll be back above $55,000 by the end of the week? Thanks for following along and being part of this journey. These updates are about staying consistent, learning from the market, and continuing to build over time. I'll see you in the next update. Just remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Investing involves risk, and you should always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Take care.